In this video, we're going to be having a look at a strategy that we can use anytime when we've got groups of 2. To show you how we can multiply by 2, I'm going to choose the number 8. Here I've drawn 8 groups of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 groups of 2 will look like this. One group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 2. Another way we could look at it is 8 plus 8. This 8 is the blue 8, and this 8 is the pink 8. 8 plus 8 is going to be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And 8 times 2 is also equal to 16. Any number that we want to put into that square times by 2, we can work out by doubling whatever our number is. Let's have a look at another example. I might want to find 11 groups of 2. To start off with, I'll draw 11 groups of 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'll make it into 11 groups of 2. Once again, we can work this out by 11 plus 11. I've got my blue 11 and my pink 11. When I add these numbers together, I get a total of 22. 2 ones plus 2 tens. My answer of 11 groups of 2 is also 22. Once again, any number times by 2, we can find the answer to by doubling our original number. When we multiply by 2, we're making 2 groups of that number, so we can just double it. And that's how we can multiply any number by 2. Have a go at the attached activity, and I'll see you in the next video.